Hi, this is an unboxing of the Galaxy S4, the Korean version of the LTE-A. I don't see that many videos on YouTube about this phone, so I decided to post one of my own. And I just got this phone like a few hours ago, and I just want to do an unboxing for it. So this is as you see, this is the box. It's just like the other ones, the international versions. Okay, I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I'm having some problems holding it. This receipt and manuals. There's actually two batteries, and there's a battery charger and some earplugs thing, USB cable, earphones, and the charger. So that aside, here's the phone. It's very nice. I actually wanted to buy the the regular S4 version, the white one, but then I saw the color of this one, like it's a shiny blue, and it's really nice. I really like it. This is the most expensive phone I've ever bought, and I'm gonna show you some benchmarks. That's all I can do because it's a really fast phone. I don't know what I can actually do to show you guys how fast it is, because I have a Snapdragon 600 and 400 quad core before, and it's pretty fast enough. Like, it won't lag anymore. So just run some test benchmarks. Oh, it's really small. I can't see it, but the score is 18,187. It's way small. Like, it smoked the rest of the other phones, so it's really hard to see the number. And I'm gonna run antutu benchmark if I can find it. There's so many Korean apps on it. I installed it, but let's see if I could find it. Wait, let's make sure I got it. I probably didn't. I'm sorry, guys. As you can see, it's pretty responsive. Should be. It's a Snapdragon 800 quad core. Okay. One thing I don't like about this phone is very attracts fingerprint a lot. Almost done. Wait.